thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the beauty box by Bombay Cedar, and I am super excited. I received this box a few months ago and I wasn't sure if they were going to send it to me again, but I'm very grateful they did this month. So I love this beauty box because it is all cruelty-free, vegan, and clean beauty. And if you do not know, I am cruelty-free, so I am so excited to see what is inside. How beautiful is this box, by the way? Anyways, if you guys are interested in subscribing, of course, I will link them down below, and I will leave all the pricing information, everything on the screen and in the description box. But before we get unboxing, I just want to say hi and welcome. If you are new here, my name is Kitty. I do unboxings every single day here on our channel. If you're into subscription boxes, beauty, lifestyle, all things, we'd absolutely love it if you joined and subscribed. We recently hit 9,000 subscribers, and there currently is a big thank you giveaway going on. It's actually a self-care giveaway, so if you have not yet entered, I will leave a link for the giveaway video at the end of this one. So yeah, let's get this open. It came like maybe yesterday or the day before, so I'm thinking this may be the May box, but we will see in just a moment. Oh my god, when you open it up, how beautiful. And that says, say hello to clean beauty. And yep, it is May. And this is what it looks like underneath. There's a card, and then all of the items are in this bag. So the card matches the outer packaging, which I already said is beautiful. And on the inside, it says what the theme is and talks about the items. So the theme for May is Rise and Shine, Essentials for Your Morning Beauty Routine. Okay, let's get started. Ooh, I'm so excited. We have something here by Rms Beauty. They're expensive, and they're definitely a clean beauty brand. I did a little haul a while ago, and I received some Rms Beauty products, and I really like them, but I did not try this. This is their Swift Shadow. Here is the outer packaging. Wow, this is a single shadow with a $20 retail value. And we received it in the shade Sunset Beach. And on the back of the packaging, it says these luminous shadows can be applied with Rms powder eyeshadow brush or a sponge tip applicator. And the actual packaging matches the aesthetic of all the other Rms products I have. And this is the shade. It definitely matches the name, Sunset Beach. So let's do a swatch. Ooh, it feels really nice. So here it is on my finger. And that is it. Let's see if we can build it up. That is very pretty, and I think that is a great everyday shade for spring and summer. This is formulated for those who prefer powder instead of cream eyeshadows. Rms Beauty Swift Shadows are designed for quick and easy application. It's mixed with the industry's best mineral color pigments, wild-crafted buriti oil, and organic jojoba oil. Swift Shadows will not dry out the lid like traditional formulas. Great, and again, $20. Looks like we have 6 items total, so 5 to go. Next up, this looks really cool. This is by Co, and this is their magic wand, and it's a brow gel. So Co, from my experience, is mostly known for hair products, but I guess your brows are hair too. Well, they are, I don't guess. This is really cool packaging. I feel like I've seen this before, but I don't have it in my collection. I may have given this away, so get it open. Right before filming, one of my nails broke, or like the nail polish just completely came off, so if you notice that, I apologize. I need a manicure. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. Now I'm guessing this is clear. It doesn't say. Yep, it looks like this is a clear gel. This is a $20 value. I actually didn't put brow gel in. I usually do to set my brows, so let's try it out. My hair out of my face. Nice. Really easy to use. Sometimes brow gels can have like too much product on them in my experience. This disperses the perfect amount. I don't have too many hair, so sometimes if I forget to use a brow gel to set my brows, it's not a big deal because they don't really move around because they're not long enough to really move. But awesome. I will definitely get some use out of this. So let's read a little bit more about it. Tack-free brow gel that tames and conditions. Cast an all-day spell with magic wand. A tack-free brow gel that tames and conditions while keeping your brows in place. Long-lasting with no flakiness for a groomed, thickened look. And I don't know if you guys will be able to tell on camera, but I do feel like it enhanced the look of my brows a little bit. Next up, we have something here by Almost Famous, and this is their Born to be Camera Ready Facial Massager and Cream Applicator. Cool. This is the outer packaging. On the back it says, unique compact design is as sexy as it will make you look. Microwaves pass through skin's upper layers, improving circulation and reducing inflammation, fine lines, and wrinkles. Use with your favorite cream to penetrate deeper into the skin. Meet your skin's new secret weapon that will have you camera ready in 10 minutes. I'm so intrigued by this. So this is a retail value of $30. Wow, we've already opened up $70 worth of product and there's 3 products remaining. So it comes with a manual, which is good because I don't know how you do this. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna need a AA battery. It looks like it doesn't come with it, so if you guys are unfamiliar with my videos, I like to do a review of the products from the month prior. So if I do receive this month, or if I do receive this box next month, I will definitely keep you guys updated. So yeah, there's a little slot for the battery. I'm thinking I do have some AAAs downstairs. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's really lightweight. Obviously when I add the battery, it'll be a little bit heavier, but I guess this little ball there, you just use to apply things. Have you guys tried anything like this? I'm so intrigued. Let's see what it says on here if there's anything different. So it says, designed to reduce wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness around the face. Oh yeah, maybe I can use to do eye creams and see if that helps with my puffiness problem. I'm excited to try this. But yeah, if you guys have tried anything like this, please share your experience down below. But let's move on to the 4th item. And this is by Natural L'Amour Mongolia. It says it's handmade hair rinse tea, 10 pieces. I'm gonna have to read more about this. I'm not sure exactly what this is. On here it says, herbal hair rinse provides deep cleansing, soothes irritation, prevents dandruff, and helps improve blood circulation to the scalp. Oh, cool. I just washed my hair today. I use a Scalp Scrub, so I'm all about like improving the health of my scalp. I'm so intrigued. So this blend of specifically selected organic herbs and botanicals will help soothe the irritated and inflamed scalp. Using stinging nettle is one of the oldest treatments for combating hair loss, and this has a retail value of $14, and there's 10 uses in here. That'll last me a long time because I only wash my hair like every 5 to 7 days. So cool, I am so intrigued by this. So how to use, you pour 2 cups of boiling water over 1 tea bag, steep for at least 30 minutes fully covered, remove the tea bag, let sit to cool down and check the temperatures of water, make sure it's not too hot. If you have longer hair, I skipped a step. 4, slowly pour over the head and massage well into hair and scalp. And 5, if you have longer hair, to reapply, keep a large bowl under your head and use infusion many times again. And once done, rinse out with warm water. Wow, that sounds like kind of a long process, but I'm all about like self-care nights and stuff, so that would actually be really nice. Like maybe you could even like do a mask and stuff while it's steeping and all of that. But yeah, super curious to try this out. I've never received anything like it. I love receiving new types of things. Ooh, next we have something here by Sistine. This is the hyaluronic acid and collagen lip mask. I love the packaging. It's super cute. It's like a piece of art. Wow. So this has a retail value of $29. This could have been a variation item. So if you didn't receive this hyaluronic lip set, you could have gotten an eye mask set, also by Sistine, or a Primetime face polish, or a Daydreamer face wash. So again, this is what it looks like without that plastic. On the back it says, prep your palette, clean and pat dry your lips, gently place a lip jelly mask on the lips and you leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Remove the mask and rub the remaining serum onto the lips. So is this a one-time use? Let's see if I can get it out. Oh no, there's multiple in here. So I love that the packets match that. So it looks like we received 5 of them here. And this is what the actual packets look like. So cool. I will definitely use these. I think they look so, I love like the graphics of them in the case. Put these in my bathroom on display, which will remind me to use them. And now let's talk about the last item. This is by Kaylee and it's their Beach Kiss Natural Lip Gloss. I love the packaging of this. So this is another variation item. You could have received either a lipstick or a lip gloss by Kaylee. Obviously I got the lip gloss, and then you could have gotten a lip gloss by Rms Beauty or a lip gloss by Sarah Happ. So what shade is this in? It's in Sunshine Sparkle. It says it's hydrating, nourishing, and head turning. Healthy lips with a kiss of color. Rich moisture glides on silky smooth to lock in hydration. Ooh, I like the packaging of the actual unit itself too. And this looks like it'd be a pretty, like, kind of like a peach, like probably sheer peach. So, it has a little doe foot. It doesn't have much of a scent. I don't think anything in these boxes are supposed to have added fragrance, if I remember correctly. Yeah. It kind of just looks clear on my hand, so. But it also could maybe just like match the tone of my skin. I guess there's like a little hint of peach in there. Can you guys see that? But nice. I am really into gloss. I have right now on my lips just a lip liner by Sigma and then the Fenty Gloss Bomb. What one? The one we received in BoxyCharm and Diamond Milk on my lips. So I am all about gloss. And this one doesn't seem like it'd be sticky at all. So that is a huge plus. But that is everything, you guys. I think this was a great box. So since there's variations, they say the total value could range between $111 and $138. Yeah, I'm trying to think what my favorite thing is. I'm honestly excited to try everything. I think this is such a great box. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And if you guys get the subscription, did we get the same items or what did you get in yours? Again, I will link them down below. Anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.